What's going on, wealth builders and wealth starters? You know, I haven't really made a public announcement, but I decided a while back that I am really going to do everything I can to accumulate 10,000 CRO coins, also known as crypto.com coins, and they recently changed the name to cronos coins. But at the end of the day, I like to use the symbols, so I'm going to refer to it as CRO. And I'm telling you, man, I'm on my way. And in this video, I'm going to be purchasing more CRO coins and adding it to my portfolio. And more importantly, I want to show you how easy it is to do this. Hey, welcome to Point Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. But more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If this is something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Also, make sure you check out the various links down in the description below for certain crypto apps, certain stock apps where you can earn free stock or free Bitcoin. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Okay, first and foremost, I want to go over CRO, crypto.com, Cronos, and I want to see what it's been doing. It really doesn't matter, but I kind of want to show y'all something with this and show you why I am really pouring a lot of money into this. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. We are on Live Coin Watch, and this is the app that I use, or the website in this case that I use. There is an app version to track coins. And I am going to go ahead and scroll down. I could easily, let me accept this. I could easily go ahead and type in a symbol CRO, but I know it's right here. I'm going to click that. And as you can see, it's currently trading at roughly 19 cents per coin. I can't believe it. When I first got into CRO, I paid 10 cents per coin. So to see it get to 19 cents, I've already doubled my money there. But I want to show y'all something that's even more important. I have watched my investment get up to 95 cents per coin. That is the all-time high. Today, it is down 3.67%, which I chose today because it's a perfect time to buy, with it being down. In the last week, it's down 4.67%. In the last 30 days, it's down 53.5%. Last 90 days, 56.94%, and in the last year, it's up 26.74%. One of the tools I like about Live Coin Watch is I know I'm going to purchase $25 worth of CRO tokens. Again, I am on a road to 10,000 CRO coins, and I'm going to share in this video how many I currently have, but we got to make our purchase first. I'm excited. Y'all just stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, here I am in my crypto.com wallet, and I am going to be purchasing some CRO coins. I currently have 1,075.22 CRO in my crypto.com wallet, and then I'm going to show you later where I actually have more CRO in my crypto.com DeFi wallet. But before we do all that, let me go ahead, because I've been waiting to do this all day. Let me go ahead and purchase. Now, it's going to give you an option of credit card, crypto wallet, but I want to go to fiat wallet because that's where your cash is. And it does have $51.50. And it's saying insufficient balance. But I'm going to look at 130 tokens. I think I can probably go up to 130. And that's going to give me 24.81. So I'm going to purchase 130 CRO tokens. Click that. Confirm 2482. I'm going to confirm that. It's got to look at my Face ID. It didn't recognize it because I was looking up at the camera. Give it a half a second. There it is. Just as simple, ladies and gentlemen. I just purchased another 130 CRO tokens. Now I want to see. My balance should go up to, there it is, 1205.22 CRO tokens. And I earned 5 diamonds towards the mission. And I'm going to do a separate video on the missions, but what I want to do right now is I'm going to go over to my DeFi wallet, and I'm going to show you on my road to 10,000 CRO coins. Let me do the Face ID. Give it a second. Now, I do have 33 CRO coins here, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm not too worried about it. I got to transfer that back over on the Ethereum network because I made a mistake. But here is where it is important, because on my crypto.com DeFi wallet, in that wallet, I also have 1,926 CRO coins, and I'm going to transfer probably 125, at least half of them, probably 100 of them, over to the DeFi wallet. Why? Because I'm earning 11.76% interest on top of any money that it makes as the token goes up or down. And just between last night and today, I've earned 0.6081828 CRO coins from just letting my money sit here. And I just downloaded it last night or claimed the rewards last night. Usually when it get up to 1 or 2 CRO coins, I'll transfer it. But there you have it, man. Let me get out of here. Let me go ahead and get me back on the screen here. There you have it, man. That's how easy it is to just purchase crypto and invest in not only your future, but your family futures. Do me a favor. If you have any questions, please post them down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, and more importantly, dropping more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.